Hello everyone and welcome to Python tutorial series. Today is day 11 and we will be working on break and continuous in Python. So basically they are nothing but the kind of a statements which we use in Python. So let's go to the Google Colab, rename it, right? Put a text here and let's start. I'll just delete this one. So if you remember in couple of last videos I talked about for, right, where for is being used as the keyword, I is being used as the counter variable, and then in is used as the membership operator, then range is a function, let's say 1 to 99, right? And then we were saying that say print I, whereas end equals to give a space, something like that. Right, and when we ran it, we get like list in horizontal format. Let's make it maybe 29, right? So in the same particular code which we have on the screen, we are going to use a break and continuous statement. It's a mix. We can use the same break and continuous with while loop as well, but let's try this one. So I'm going to copy this piece from here, put it over here in the second line. Now over here, before you print, right, I'm going to call a conditional statement if I is actually equals to 15, right, then do what? Then basically break it, right, till here and then start printing, or maybe do it like this. So now if I run this one, it will break where I equals to 15, right? My bad. Let's run it. So if you see here, we have 1 to 14, but the moment we have 15 here, it's actually breaking the code and stopping the code then and there, right? This is a classic example of using break, but let me show you a continuous as well, right? If I use the same exact code with continuous, right? Let me go a little down here and add a couple of more code lines here. So if I do the same thing here, instead of break, right, I say continue, right? So that means it's going to skip the 15 number over here. It will have 1 till 14, skip 15, and then all the way till 28, 29, whatever the numbers we are going to get. Let's see. So we have all the way 1 to 14, 15 is skipped over here. You can see 14, and then we have 16 directly, and then all the way till 28 because this 29 is not inclusive, right? Now let's use a combination of break and continue. Can you do that? Actually, let me give this to you as an exercise. So use break and continue in the same exact code, just the way we have over here. Put it into the comment section and come back to me. Okay, cool. Thank you.